How to fix TikTok following problem. If you're having issues following somebody on TikTok, this could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First of all, you want to make sure that it is not the issue with your internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Now, sometimes it could be due to a restriction from TikTok themselves. If you're following too much people recently, TikTok will restrict your following list to a certain number per day. So that is why if you're being spamming and following and TikTok notices any type of suspicious behavior from your account, then that could also be causing the issue. If you're using TikTok on Android, what I recommend you do is just long press the TikTok app icon, then tap on the little eye icon, which is going to take us to this app information page. And from here, we can go to storage where we can clear the cache files and we can also choose to clear the data. Once we've done that, open up our Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok. Just check if the TikTok app has an update. And if it does, then of course, do make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.